everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you that neat little dirt cheap trick I promised you in the last video. What a good band, Cheap Trick. Anyway, this will be good if you were planning on getting a BEASTGRIP Pro because you like to shoot handheld a lot, but you want a little bit more stable footage than just shooting with just the BEASTGRIP. Now this is going to look ridiculous, but try not to laugh, okay? You will have your BEASTGRIP and a bungee cord. Now I know it looks ridiculous, but trust me, these two things used in conjunction work splendidly. Now before I lose you completely, let's head out, get some test footage so I can prove to you that this is an awesome setup. Let's get to it. Alright, I'm on location. I got my BEASTGRIP, I got my bungee cord. We're going to do a bunch of tests. I'm going to do 3 different tests at first. I'm going to do the varying levels of handheld. One's going to be the camera operator trying to mimic a Steadicam or gimbal as best he can. Another one is going to be just walking as you walk every day to give it a more raw look. And last but not least is going to be the most shaky when you're running after somebody, running after the talent in a scene. Then I'm just going to do a few quick shots, show you, pan left, pan right, up, down, just to show you what you can do with these two things. And the results are pretty impressive. But first I'm going to show you how to install this. Install, what the hell am I talking about? How to put this on. So you get one side in. We'll do this one because it's the hardest one first. There we go. Of course it has to be bunched up. Put it around your neck. Get the other one, put it on the other side. And there you go. It just rests on your neck like that. Easy as can be. All right, let's get to it. Bottom line, is this a ridiculous looking setup? Absolutely. But when you're on a budget, you're an indie filmmaker, and you want to save your money for more important things like sound equipment, lighting equipment, lenses, you don't want to be spending way too much money on a camera strap when you don't have to. And the great thing about these is they're dirt cheap. You can get them in bulk on Amazon or basically anywhere. And once one breaks, you can just, use another one. They come in like sets of 10, 15. So you really can't lose. And if you don't care about what people think when they look and they see you filming with this stuff, all the better, because most people don't care about how you get the end result. They care about the finished product. They don't care how you do it, just as long as you give them a great finished product. Most people won't give a shit. So this is great if you don't care to get a gimbal. This can kind of give you almost as smooth footage. But, these two things together, still, you're at half the price of what you pay for the Mobi. So I think it's a win-win. And that's the video, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notified every time a new video comes out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.
Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.